Welcome everyone to Oceanography series. In this lecture, we are going to talk about oceans and seas. So basically, ocean and seas में क्या difference है? We should know that. हाँ हम इसको इन दोनों terms को interchangeably use करते हैं. Like we know कि ocean है तो it is composed of sea water या sea ice is forming in the ocean. But we should know technically how we can define a sea or a ocean. So talking about sea, it is smaller and shallower than the ocean. जब उसकी साइज की बात करें it will be smaller than the ocean and depth की बात करेंगे तो it will be shallower than the ocean. Also जब sea water के composition की बात करेंगे तो sea water will be much saltier than ocean water. Next, it is somewhat enclosed by the land. Yes, as you can see in the map, यहाँ पर if you go through the seas, the Mediterranean, Red Sea, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, these all you can see are enclosed by the land. Okay. So next is directly connected to the world ocean, and these it is that all of the sea water is directly goes into the ocean. So it is directly connected to the world ocean. Starting with how many oceans are there? So there are 5 oceans, or we can say 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 क्यों? Because currently or only recently southern or we can say the Antarctic Ocean को consider किया जाता है amongst these ocean. So इसीलिए 4 plus 1 भी कहा जाता है. So these are Pacific Ocean, which is the world's largest and the deepest ocean. Then is the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest ocean. Then comes the Indian Ocean, which exists mostly in southern hemisphere. Then comes the Arctic Ocean, which is smallest and shallowest ocean. And then जो fifth हम consider कर रहे हैं, that is the Southern Ocean. Okay. Next, how many seas are there? So main seas of the world are the Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Persian Gulf, Black Sea, Adriatic Sea, Caspian Sea, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, how? Indian Ocean यहाँ कैसे लिख गया? इसीलिए कि ocean and sea, as we saw earlier, कि interchangeably use होते हैं. Also, we should know कि there is the Arabian Sea, there is the Andaman Sea, there is the Bay of Bengal, there is the Lakshadweep. So these all are part of Indian Ocean, these seas. So hence यहाँ पर Indian Ocean is considered in these. This is like we must have heard of the phrase सात समंदर पार और सेलिंग द 7 सीज. सो यहाँ से ही 7 सीज का ये नाम है एंड दीज आर द 7 सीज. बट टूडेज वर्ल्ड in today's world, the oceans are counted as seas and जो पैसिफिक अटलांटिक ओशंस है उनको अगर हम स्प्लिट कर दें एट द इक्वेटर, सो जो मोर मॉडर्न काउंट हो जाएगा 7 सीज का, उसमें क्या क्या नेम्स आएंगे? दैट विल बी द नॉर्थ पैसिफिक, साउथ पैसिफिक, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक, साउथ अटलांटिक, द इंडियन ओशन, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Okay, these two, the Pacific and Atlantic, will be split and they will be given the name North and the South Pacific, North and the South Atlantic. Okay, and remaining we know कि Indian Arctic or Southern Ocean है. So this way these will form the 7 seas. Okay, moving on to some diagrams. As you can see here, relative proportions of land and ocean on the earth's surface. So यहाँ पर if this whole is considered as the earth's surface, so उसमें से 100% है ये पूरा surface of the earth. इसमें से 70.8% oceans का एरिया हो जाएगा and 29.2 land surface हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट, रिलेटिव साइज ऑफ 4 प्रिंसिपल ओशन. अगर इसको भी हम 100% कंसिडर करें, ये पूरा ओशन, जैसे ये 70.8% था, ये टोटल 100 जो ओशन का बनेगा सिर्फ और सिर्फ ओशन का, उसमें से 50.1% विल बी पैसिफिक. वाई? इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ओशन. नेक्स्ट कम्स अटलांटिक, विच इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट, फॉर्मिंग 26%. Third comes the Indian Ocean, forming the 20.5%, and then comes the Arctic Ocean, forming 3.4%. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर एवरेज ओशन डेप्थ है विच यू शुड नो इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 4 किलोमीटर्स. यहाँ पर इफ यू सी पैसिफिक की डेप्थ it is 3940 meters. Atlantic की it is 3844 meters. Indian की it is 3840 meters. So ये nearly we can say कि 4000 meters के approx है. So 4000 meters will make the 4 kilometers. So average ocean depth is 4 kilometers. Okay. In this diagram, we again have the deepest part of the ocean, the tallest part of the land, एंड ऑल्सो यहाँ पर एवरेज डेप्थ दिखा रखी है जो हमने आगे देखी थी. एवरेज डेप्थ ऑफ ओशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो इट इज़ नियरली 4 किलोमीटर्स, बट हम यहाँ लैंड की बात करेंगे तो इट विल बी जस्ट 840 मीटर्स, नियरली 1 किलोमीटर वी कैन से, बट you should remember 840 meters the figure. Okay, so the deepest depth in the ocean, the Challenger Deep region of the Mariana Trench near the Guam, is staggering 11,022 meters below the sea level. So this is the deepest area of the ocean, that is the Mariana Trench. Next, highest mountain in the world with the greatest height above sea level, यहाँ पर we can see this is the sea level, and sea level से highest जो land surface पे point है, that is of Mount Everest, and it is 8,850 meters above sea level. Next, we should know that there is a mountain with greatest total height from the base to top, and it is the Mauna Kea of the island of the Hawaii in United States. इसमें क्या है, it is measuring 4,000 meters above the sea level and 5,000 meters below the sea level. So इसकी जो total height हो जाती है वो हो जाती है 9,632 meters. So इसकी जो टोटल हाइट है वो कम से कम 782 मीटर्स हायर है माउंट एवरेस्ट से, क्योंकि माउंट एवरेस्ट इज 8,850 एंड दिस इज 9,632 meters. So this is 782 meters higher than Mount Everest, but it is still 1,390 meters shorter than the Mariana Trench deep. Okay, you can see it is 11,022 meters, but here it is just 9,632 meters. So still 1,390 meters shorter than it. Okay, and so in essence, no mountain on earth is taller than the depth of the Mariana Trench. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.